doing this. First year not feeling or not training for it.
You haven't run in a month.
If I break 30 minutes 5K, I'll be shocked. I think I'm gonna lay it all out on the bike and just say screw it to the run. I know I'm gonna have a great run, even fresh. My triathlon settings.
Heck yeah.
Thank you, Argonaut.
Yeah, this will be me right here, and then
water safety team for Tri
And then over there
CLE.
with the run.
Our official.
Here's, I'm gonna give you my keys.
Okay.
A perfect morning. You expected to, but. I mean, there'll be people out there in the water filming. It's not closed.
They're greasing them up so the wetsuit goes on, yes.
Yeah, and you're not restricted as much up here.
We start with our challenged athletes division, the Lozanos, as I said, Austin, Alex, and Mom been here all 5 years, okay?
What do you think your total time's gonna be?
Hour 41.
Hour 41?
Maybe hour 42.
Okay.
Depends on the run today.
Remember, Keith Perkins just did Portland, is that what I remember? Portland, Oregon, yep.
All right, good swim, 17. All right, bro. Let's do it. I'll meet you at the road. First biker through. 41 minutes in. Down there. I can't believe I missed it. Done with the bike, hour and 3. Let's go. Well done. Fuel up. Let's go, boy.
Cleveland Tri Club.
That's solid.
Same as last year.
Is it this, like, you did 136?
I think so. But I had a better run last year. This metal's so much better. Last year was a kazoo. A classic kazoo.
Yeah.
Hey.